Quality assured with 100% leakage and functional tests of seals, bearings, castings and fully assembled water pump. Fits and performs exactly to OE specifications and requirements. Premium water pumps are designed to enhance the performance of the equivalent standard pump. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Gates water pumps are recognized in the industry for their durability, superior quality and are manufactured for worry-free operations for your vehicle. Every Gates high-quality new water pump is constructed with premium alloy materials and a 100% functional test of seals and bearings along with a 100% leakage test for both the casting and assembled water pump. Get industry best and a guaranteed OE quality fit with Gates. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for a 2006 Dodge 3500 Mega Cab with 5.9 Cummins. This was only $5 more than the thermostat I also replaced on the same job. Not sure how it is so cheap. Appears to be as good of quality as the OEM I had to replace at 85k miles. Time will tell and I will update this review if it fails too soon. Lots of YouTube help out there for DIYers. Swapping them out was a cinch except for the extra body you might need to loosen the serpentine belt off the alternator. I didn't remove the radiator, fan, nor the intercooler so I had to access the belt tensioner from the bottom using my non-mechanically savvy son.